Here in front of me, I've got a tractor in a 1/64 scale from the brand Xcartoys. The name of the tractor is, and I hope I'm saying it right, Honghe Fengshou 37 tractor. Here we got the other side of the package. Ooh, I like this. You can see what's inside the tractor. Some information, freeze the frame if you want to read it and if you can read it. Here we got some more information, a barcode and article number. It's a box package. I like those box packaging. You can open it without damaging the package. And after that you can use it for storage. Okay, so here we got the tractor. So here in the back and in the front we got rubber tires. Good rolling wheels, silver details on the engine, and also a silver exhaust. I like that. You got painted front lights and here black. And I think there's even the name of the tractor. Let's switch to another camera. Maybe we can see it. Yeah, I think so, but it's in Chinese. We got the back. Here we got the base, 1/64 scale, Xcartoys, made in China. Yeah, Xcartoys is a Chinese brand. Steering wheel looks good. And we even have a small detail on the dashboard. I can't see what it is, but you can see it between the steering wheel right here. Bucket seat, really nice. Okay, so I got figure here, 1/64 figure from American Diorama, and you can put it right next to the tractor and then you can see how small or how big it is. And I also got this Steiger Tiger from Urtel, big tractor. And you can also see the difference in size. Steiger, I believe it's from Urtel. I don't see Urtel on it, but I believe it's from Urtel. Really nice 1/64 tractor made out of diecast. Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget, a thumbs up. You really help me with that so I can make more diecast videos. Happy hunting. See you soon. Bye.